building a private data center is costly. Colocation offers a solution by allowing companies to house their IT infrastructure in third-party facilities. This approach provides access to advanced technology without the financial burden of owning a data center. In a colocation data center, businesses install their hardware in leased spaces like racks or cages. Providers offer power, cooling, security, and connectivity. Clients manage their equipment, optimizing it for specific needs while benefiting from the facility's infrastructure. Colocation facilities come in two types: retail and wholesale. Retail centers offer shared spaces for smaller needs, while wholesale centers provide dedicated areas for larger IT demands. Each type caters to different business requirements and scales. Colocation reduces infrastructure costs, offering high availability, top connectivity, and enhanced security. Facilities are compliance-ready, scalable, and improve network performance. Expert support is available, easing the burden on in-house teams and ensuring reliable operations. Despite benefits, colocation has challenges like high initial costs, hardware maintenance, limited access, and dependency on providers. Geographic constraints and potential latency issues also pose challenges, requiring careful consideration when choosing a facility. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more.